Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. So in today's video, I want to show you guys some properties under 20 million Jamaican dollars, you guys. And you guys, if you are interested in any of these properties, you need to act quickly because there was this one in Angel's Estate that I really wanted to show you guys, and it already went under contract within like 3 days. Okay, so I'm still gonna list it and link it down below because sometimes plans do fall apart. No, that was not funny. I should not have laughed at that. But it's possible. It's possible. So, if you're still interested in something, you can reach out to the realtor. I'll still list it down below. But if you're interested in any of these other ones that I'm about to show you guys, act on them quickly. I'll have them linked in the description box down below. So without further ado, let's check out these homes all under 20 million Jamaican dollars. The first property we're going to take a look at is this one here in Montpelier, Manchester, which is in the Spur Tree area. This one is listed for 15 million Jamaican dollars, or they're about 97,460 US dollars. Now this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house, and it sits on a sizable lot. Lot size is 14,736 square feet. So you guys know that you have ample space to expand with this one here. You can go upstairs, you can extend to the sides, to the back. Space is there based on how this house is laid out and the land space, of course. So if you are interested in this one, you're going to click the link in the description box down below for this one here in Manchester. I think it's a fairly reasonable priced property, especially for that land space. The land space here is truly the seller. That's what's selling this, as well as the house is nice too, but the land space, that's like the big bonus to it. Like, that's the big bonus. And at $15 million, I don't think this one's going to be on the market for too long. Someone's going to snatch this one up really quick. Of course, the interior of the house will need a little reno just to make it a bit more modern, a bit more lighter, more airy, modern. Yeah, that's the word, modern. Just make it a bit more modern. But I don't think it's bad. And for $15 million, the lot, guys, the lot size is a seller. Like, that's definitely the seller. So if you're interested in this one, it will be linked down below. Alright guys, I just realized something. So from here on out, for the rest of the video, all the properties are going to be in St. Catherine. So it's split between like Portmore, Spanish Town, and those areas. I'm so sorry, but that's where the under $20 million listings came in heavily this week. So this one here is in St. Jago Pines, and it's in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. This is an apartment. It's listed for 18,750,000 Jamaican dollars. This one is a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom apartment. As you can see, it does have an in-unit laundry. It has a balcony. It's fully grilled. So yeah, this one here, I love the closet space for this one. So definitely some nice workable closets. The bathrooms definitely are going to need some reno. Make it a bit more modern. Yeah, a lot of reno will be needed in the bathrooms, but it's not too terrible, but yeah, I think this one is in a great area, St. Jago Pines. I really like it. It seems like a really good buy. And then for 18 million, well, 18,750,000, yeah, sounds about right. So again, 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath right there, so you have your half bath. So yeah, I think the price is fair. That's your kitchen space, quite open, lots of cabinetry to work with, so not bad there. So tell me guys what you think in the description box down below for this one here in St. Jago Pines, Spanish Town, St. Catherine. I think this one is a good find. So I'm so sorry to anyone who was looking for, like other parishes, but this one is mainly St. Catherine for this video, you guys. Lots of listings for Greater Portmore that we're seeing. So yeah. Again, sticking to St. Catherine, we have this townhouse here. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhouse, and it's listed for 18.5 million Jamaican dollars, or their equivalent of about 120,200 US dollars. This is located in Delido Path, Ensome City, St. Catherine. Now, I really love the interior of this one, you guys. Like, there's not a lot of work here to be done on this one. Pretty move-in ready. Yes, the bathroom, it's not modern. Okay, the bathroom needs work. But I love the living space. I love what seems to be like the dining space and the kitchen space. The bedrooms look great. You know, you have your closet area right there. Bedrooms do look a bit small, but I mean, it's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, so you know, can expect that, you know, some would be smaller. Maybe, you know, the master bedroom would be like larger. But yeah, this townhouse here, I think it's a good find if you're interested in that area. Again, it's 18.5 million Jamaican dollars. I love how open everything is. Looks nice and airy. Looks well kept, well maintained. I don't like that stairs though. But that's how all townhouse stairs look like. Townhouse stairs just have at least one look. Why? And they're always like wooden stairs. I guess, I don't know why, but from all the townhouses I've seen, they just always have the same look. I guess that's the design of townhouses. I don't know, but yeah. So if you're interested in this one, you guys, I'll link it in the description box down below. Remember, the description box is right below the title of the video. And if you're interested in this one, you can reach out to the realtor to get more information and schedule a viewing. And as I said, guys, if you're interested in any one of these, you don't want to wait, because that one in Angel's Estate, it sold so quickly. I mean, went under contract so quickly, like I couldn't believe it. So if you're interested, reach out. All right, so staying in Ensome City, we have this other one. This one though is 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom house in Ensome Acres, Ensome City, St. Catherine. Again, this one is listed for 16.5 million Jamaican dollars, or the equivalent of about 107,206 US dollars. This house sits on a lot size of 2,333 square feet. What's going on in Ensome City, guys? Is it violence? You guys can tell me in the comments. Is it violence? I don't know, but it doesn't have to be. You know, persons list and sell their house for many different reasons. But just tell me what's happening if there's something I need to know. But as you can see in this one here, you know, persons are always interested in buying. Persons will always be moving out, and it's just the market, it's just the flow of things. So as you can see here, you're definitely going to need to do some renovations. This one here is a little fixer upper, of course. So if you're interested in that one, you guys, I will link it in the description box down below. All right, and this takes us into the last property I'm showing you guys in today's video. This one is listed for 18.5 million Jamaican dollars, or the equivalent of about US $120,200. This one is a 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom house in East Chedwin, Greater Portmore. Now it also states that this has a bonus room, so I guess, you know, that room is kind of more of a flexible room, can be used for various things, maybe an office. I don't know the size of that room. Of course, you know, you'd have to check it out and do a viewing and see, you know, what's that bonus room about. So this one they stated that this was newly renovated. It has an in-unit laundry, and they said that based on the design of this house, it could be converted into 2 self-contained units. So you know that one family could live in one side and another family in another side, and you know, one could be for rental, one could be, you know, your primary home. So yeah, tell me if you're interested in this one. You're going to reach out to Kimon Fraser. Again, I'll list everything in the description box down below if you're interested in this one. Again, this is in East Chedwin, Greater Portmore, St. Catherine. $18.5 million, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath with a bonus room. You know, I love showing the listings that have, you know, the potential for investment and, you know, generating some income to help with that mortgage. So yeah, whenever I find these ones, I do share them, and these ones do go quickly, just based on that fact that, you know, based on the design, you can get another self-contained unit out of it. So if you're interested in this one, act on it quickly. And yeah, check the link in the description box below for everything shown in today's video. I'm going to include the Angel's Estate as well in the listings down below, just in case, you know, the contract falls apart. But yeah, so check the description box, and that's it for today. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, comment down below and tell me which one was your favorite. Tell me if you're interested in any of these or if you found this video helpful. Yeah, like the video, comment, share, of course, you know, the regular degular. And if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I'll see you guys. I think I'll do another video tomorrow and another one on Sunday because there's a lot that I need to post. So yeah, until my next video, bye guys.